Example, write 0.333 so on continue in the form of P by Q. Answer, here let x equal to 0.333 so on continue. Here multiply both side by 10. We get 10 into x is 10x. 0.3 into 10 is 3.333 so on continue. 10x is equal to here 3 plus 0.333 so on continue. 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.333 so on continue equal to x. Therefore, put here this value x. 10x plus x, take left side, becomes minus x equal to 3. 10x minus 1x is 9x equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 divides 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 3 is answer.